Everybody come to the altar. Let me decree that to you. Kila mmoja aje asimame hapa, because from here you will see something you have never seen before. Everybody come to the altar. 2026 you will see. Some of you are going to see yourself in the next 10 years. Some of you are going to have a picture of the next 10 years, of the next 50 years. Some of you have been seeing very little. Umekuwa ukiona kidogo sana, lakini kuanzia leo upofu unaondolewa. That blindness is coming out, and God is going to open your eyes, and you will see into your marriage. You will see into your next level. Unapomaliza 2025, I decree and I declare, the Lord open your eyes. Hautaona kile watu wanaona, utaona kile Mungu anataka uone. You will see what God wants you to say. Lift up your hand, everybody. Inua mikono yako juu ya hewa, because after this God is going to give you a vision. God is going to give you a dream. God is going to give you something, a picture that nobody has seen about your life. Nobody has ever imagined that you can be that you can walk into that. Receive heavenly, receive a heavenly insight. Receive a heavenly revelation. Receive a vision for your business. Receive eyes to see. Eyes to see, that you can see. Oh, karekete lekelebeda. See. Karabolo setekelebeda. May your eyes be opened.
Nimeona wema wako, nimeona fadhili zako Baba, nasema asante.